Dental implants are a popular solution for replacing missing teeth and restoring a bright, confident smile. However, the cost of dental implants can vary significantly depending on the country and region where they are performed. In this article, we will compare the prices of dental implants in Europe and Turkey, two popular destinations for dental tourism. Europe is known for its high-quality healthcare services, including dental care. However, this quality comes at a price, and dental implants in Europe can be quite expensive. On average, the cost of a single dental implant in Europe ranges from 1,000 to 3,000 euros. This price includes the cost of the implant itself, the surgery, and any necessary follow-up care. On the other hand, Turkey has emerged as a popular destination for dental tourism, thanks to its high-quality dental services at affordable prices. In Turkey, the cost of a single dental implant is significantly lower than in Europe, ranging from 500 to 1,500 euros. This price includes the same services as in Europe, such as the implant, surgery, and follow-up care. One of the main reasons for the lower prices of dental implants in Turkey is the lower cost of living and labor in the country. This allows dental clinics to offer competitive prices without compromising on the quality of care. Additionally, many dental clinics in Turkey cater to international patients and offer packages that include accommodation and transportation, making it a convenient and cost-effective option for dental tourists. Another factor that influences the cost of dental implants in Europe and Turkey is the level of experience and qualifications of the dental professionals. In Europe, dental implants are usually performed by highly trained and experienced dentists who charge higher fees for their services. In Turkey, there are also many skilled and qualified dentists who offer dental implant services at a lower cost, making it a more accessible option for patients seeking affordable dental care. It is important to note that the lower cost of dental implants in Turkey does not mean a lower quality of care. Many dental clinics in Turkey adhere to international standards of hygiene and safety, and use modern technology and techniques for dental implant procedures. Patients can expect the same level of professionalism and expertise in Turkey as they would in Europe, but at a more affordable price. When considering where to get dental implants, it is important to weigh the cost against the quality of care and the overall experience. Europe may offer high-quality dental services, but at a higher price. Turkey, on the other hand, provides affordable dental implants without compromising on quality. Ultimately, the decision will depend on your budget, preferences, and specific dental needs. In conclusion, both Europe and Turkey are viable options for dental implants, each with its own advantages and considerations. While Europe may offer high-quality care, Turkey provides affordable dental implants without sacrificing quality. By comparing the prices and services offered in both regions, you can make an informed decision that meets your needs and budget. Whether you choose to get dental implants in Europe or Turkey, rest assured that you will receive professional and reliable care to restore your smile and confidence.